Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My last video I went over the Wuben X4 and it totally inspired me to throw together a Stormtrooper-esque loadout. So I went shopping, I found a bunch of stuff that matches the theme and I would love to share it with you guys. Let's go over it right away. Inspired by the Wuben X4 here. This is a great little flashlight. This thing comes in at $50 US, 70 Canadian. Watch out for sales. It does often go on sale. 1500 lumen max output, has a white and RGB side light, a removable 18650 battery with 3350 milliamp hour capacity. A great light. I have the full review on the channel. The second item here, I picked up just a cheap little Casio, and this is the F108WHC, obviously the white and black face edition. This is very inexpensive. These things are 20 bucks US, maybe 30 Canadian. The prices vary a little bit, but you can find them all over the place. Super comfortable watch. It's a little bigger than the F91W, and it's pretty similar to the size of the Royale World Timer. If you scratch it or whatever, you're not gonna be too upset. And it still has all the main features that a normal Casio does: stopwatch, alarm. The next item I found, this is the Lamy Tipo pen, a rollerball pen, writes really smooth, fairly cheap. This thing I picked up for $5 US, which is about 750 Canadian plus shipping. It actually came out of the UK, fit the theme really well. The next item I picked up was the Ridge wallet. This is the polar white colorway. This is my first time ever actually owning a legitimate Ridge wallet. These things are built like tanks. Like, it is so sturdy, nice and thin. I opted for the cash strap. I just figured even with cash in there, it would sit a little bit closer to your pocket. It doesn't bulge out as much like the clip would. Not that it's a big deal. The reputation precedes it. It's a very well-received wallet in the community. This comes in at $60 US or 80 Canadian, 83 Canadian. So it's a little bit on this pricier side, but the warranty on these things is incredible. You get a little screwdriver and some extra screws in a box as well. It's a really nice wallet. The next item is the Vosteed Mini Acorn. This is the white G10 with the black 14C28N blade material. Really nice, cheap budget steel. This thing's $55 US or 65 Canadian, so really cheap, really nice for a beater. It's a front flipper, liner lock, on bearings. Like, there's nothing wrong with this knife at all. Plenty of different ways to open it. And with that nice little nick, you can get the flick in there. It's a little small, so it's on the difficult side, but once you get practice with it, you can actually do it quite easily. And then of course you can use your thumb. Really nice colorway. It has some green accents on the pivot and everything. A decent little pocket clip. Oh, and it also has a green accent on the lanyard hole as well, and the spacer. Great little knife, super nice little profile on this thing. 2.5 inch blade, 2.1 inch cutting edge. Nice little drop point with the G10 handles on bearings. You can't go wrong for the price. And the last thing, to kind of fit the whole theme together, I went out and got a keychain with a little tiny Stormtrooper. So this is just a Lego Stormtrooper. This thing I think I picked up for 8 bucks Canadian, 60 US. Pretty obvious why I chose this one for the theme. Fun little keychain. I remember my brother had one of these when we were teenagers, when he first got a car, and he had it for years. They're fun little keychains, ties the whole theme together. But what do you guys think? Do you like themed EDCs, all black or a brass loadout. I have a few ideas and a few things in the works right now. So if you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you on the next one. It's a nice little drop point. Nice little drop point. Nice. The dark side.